Hello folks, with the Galaxy Note family officially out of the picture for good and the Galaxy S23 trio slowly getting long in the tooth, it seems natural for the undivided attention of many hardcore Samsung fans to be directed towards the fast approaching Galaxy S23 series. Hold on a minute, it's still March 2022, which means that the S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra are not even a month old. But while it's definitely too early for buyers of these powerhouses to be thinking about an upgrade, the S23 family is already in the news. That's just how the rumor mills works in this day and age, often churning information about the next big thing before the current big thing is even properly released. For what it's worth, the S23 series info revealed today is not particularly consequential, at least for the 2023 ultra high-end handset roster itself. They say diamonds are forever, and while that's clearly not true for mobile devices, referring to an unreleased smartphone or 3 as Project Diamond internally is certainly exciting. In case you are wondering if that codename actually means anything, it's highly unlikely. Samsung has a long history of choosing internal labels for upcoming flagships that sound cool, exciting or mysterious without having any apparent connection with one another or hinting at new features, designs or upgrades in any way. To illustrate that, here's how every recent Galaxy S series device has been codenamed prior to an official announcement. Perhaps the only Hubble hinted at a function like space zoom. In short, we don't expect next year's Galaxy S23 family to include a diamond-encrusted model or anything, but maybe this choice suggests Samsung is working on the robustness and long-term durability of its high-end handsets. But this codename reveal is more relevant to another topic that we recently talked about. If the Galaxy S23 is indeed codenamed Project Diamond, that almost certainly means there is no third Galaxy Foldable in the pipeline for 2022. Of course, there could be such a device planned under a different codename, but until that different codename or device starts making the rumor rounds, we wouldn't get too excited at the thought of a Flex Note or rollable handset of any sort. With 2023 announcements now far more likely for any such experimental products, it's probably wise to focus your energy, time and money on the Galaxy Fold 4 and Flip 4, which are definitely coming out this year. The Z Fold 4 sounds particularly exciting, if not exactly revolutionary, with a built-in S Pen, vastly improved durability and an as yet unannounced processor under the hood. But perhaps the best news in all of this is that the Galaxy S23 leaking games are basically officially underway now that the codename is out of the bag, which generally makes it a lot easier for insiders to dig up information and feed it to the masses. So, for future diamond leaks and news, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and good luck everyone!